Right, playlists. I've been watching this great video and I've decided I want to add it to a playlist. First of all, I'm going to give it a like because I like it, and I'm going to subscribe to the channel because I want to see everything they do, and I'm going to click the all button so that I get notified about all their upcoming videos. That's important if you want to support somebody. Right, now the simplest way to create a playlist, I find, is to go to the save button, which is at the bottom right of the video. You click save and you create a new playlist. Now your watch later playlist will always be there, but you create a new playlist. So you give it a name. I'm calling it Foodie Heaven. And then I'll create it. So that's simply how you create a playlist. It's really that easy. You can do it a long-winded way, but this is the quickest way I know. Okay, so that's the playlist created. So let's just watch another one from someone else. Okay, we've got to the end of this video now. And we like what we see. We want to add that to our playlist. So first of all, I'm going to click like because that's the decent thing to do. Subscribe. I want to see more of this guy's stuff, so I'm going to click all. And save. Now I've already got the playlist, or I can create a new one, but because this is a foodie one, I'm saving it to Foodie Heaven. Okay, and then once you click that, you can just close out of that and then go and pick another one. Okay, we love that guy as well, so we're going to click like, subscribe, all, because I don't want to miss his videos. And then I'm saving that to Foodie Heaven. Alright, now, if you want to look at your playlists and reorder them or choose which one you want to be at the top of your playlist, you need to go into your playlist dialog. And to do this, you need to go to your icon at the top right, click it, YouTube Studio. Videos are now under content, and playlists are a separate item. Okay, so you've arrived at your channel playlists. Click on the actual playlist itself, on the actual picture, and it will take you into the playlist dialog. Now, there are lots of things you can do with this from now. You can go to the right of this video, and then you can move it to the top, move it to the bottom, or you can set it as the playlist thumbnail. So let's say you find the one that you like is at the bottom of the list and you want to set that A as the first one. So we'll move that to the top of the playlist, and then we'll also set that as the playlist thumbnail. Right, you need to set in your playlist, you need to set the visibility of it, so you can keep it unlisted, private or public. So then you set it to public, and now everyone can see your playlist. Now, if for instance I go back, so I'm back in YouTube, I've liked a video, I've subscribed, I've clicked the all button, and I want to save this to my Foodie Heaven. So I'm going to save it to my Foodie Heaven. Okay, playlist, and then I go back. So now if I look on my playlist and refresh that list, you'll see 4 titles on it, including that last one. Now let's just say I wanted to, oh, that's a nice thumbnail, so let's just say I wanted to set that as the thumbnail. I click on these 3 dots at the side of the video, set the playlist as thumbnail, and then it becomes the thumbnail for all of them. Now it might be an idea, if you want people to watch all the videos in your playlist, is to make the thumbnail one your last one, because that will encourage people to watch through the playlist to get to the one with the thumbnail. So that's it, boys and girls. That's it. Basically, that's how to make and rearrange and toy with playlists. One other thing I should remember is that when you create a new playlist, for instance, so created another one, you can actually set the privacy here. So you set the privacy to public, or if it's a private playlist for your own use or unlisted, you can select either of those here. So if you want it to be public, you make sure you select it. You can also do it in your playlist dialog on YouTube Studio, but the quickest way to do it is here, for instance, and then you hit create, and there it is. Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications for all my future videos. It would be great to hear from you in the comments, and I'll try to get back to as many of you as possible. You may wish to check out these titles, or even help me out with a donation using the links in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.